Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox Majorets because Majorets came a lot this year also. They actually came with a lot of new castings, which I personally loved. So and I just picked the six which and I wanted to unbox and which I personally liked in this particular set. So let me just show it to you first. Okay, let me start with this. So this is a Nissan Z. So there is one more livery in this particular car. See, always all these cars comes in multiple versions, racing cars, premium cars, and so the same. And there is there is one more new version now. I think showroom or something. I don't remember it exactly, but I don't see that coming in India. So, but all this actually costed somewhere around 399. So back then this was 349. Now they increased the price to 399. So this is the first one, and here is the Jeep Wrangler 4xe. So I think I unboxed this sometime back. The only reason I bought this again because of the paint job and livery that looked really cool, so I bought it. Same pricing, 399. And next one would be Alpine A10R, sorry A110R. So there is one more blue version of this one. I really loved the blue version, but just didn't want to get the same casting twice, so I didn't buy the that is from premium car series. So this is literally the same casting but with a different paint job. So this one looked more dynamic, so I bought this one. So this I personally love this green with white and yellow combination, so I went with this. So the blue one looked really awesome. If you guys are able to get that one, get that one as well. And that's up to you. So if next time I'm able to see, if I'm able to get that one, I will surely get the blue one as well because I really love that particular matte blue, that kind of this Ford Mustang dark cars blue kind of thing. So same pricing, 399. And let's go to the next one. Yeah, this is the vintage series, the Volvo 240 GL Estate. So I think Hot Wheels did this sometime back if I'm not wrong. So I think same pricing, yeah, 399. Okay, so this is the Mercedes-Benz 190 2.5 16 EO2. So we do have this particular car in this, I think Japanese series or not, sorry, not Japanese series. The 90s youngster pack, if I'm not wrong. I'm yet to unbox that. I will be unboxing that soon, including that Japanese series. That looks like this, drawn in manga. So that was a really cool set. I do have that, so I will be unboxing that maybe in upcoming weeks. So last but not least, my personal favorite, which is this one. So the Lamborghini Countach LP 400. So I was actually waiting for this to drop in a single because I do have the 5-pack version, which I unboxed 2.5 years. Yeah, yeah. That I unboxed somewhere around 2023, start of 2023. So that came with the Italy Dream Cars pack. It was a yellow one. So if you guys are seeing my previous weeks, or sorry, not previous week, 2 weeks back video, the setup, Chennai setup video, you can always see that yellow Lamborghini in front, in that acrylic case. So that is from the 5-pack. So I really wanted to get one more. I originally thought of keeping this in my car, so let's see. Okay, so with that said, this is what we are going to unbox this week. And one more thing is, I really don't have a diorama to take photos of all these things, so I'm just going to figure out a way how to keep that, how to take a thumbnail picture. So whatever I'm going to do, I want your suggestion, guys, over there. I don't have anything with me right now, but I'm just going to pick something at my home, just trying to work with it. So if nothing is going to work out, I'm just going to keep it in natural setting. I'm going to take a pic of it. So drop me in the comments while you are seeing any of these videos how that worked out for you guys when you are looking at the thumbnail in while clicking the video. So that would really help me. So with that said, as usual, if you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.